Hello, in this video we will see new features added in JDK11 for string class. So string class added few new methods like is blank, line, trip leading, trip trailing and repeat. So we will check all these methods with example, and these method can reduce the amount of boilerplate involved in the manipulating string object and save us from having to import libraries. In case of the strip methods, they provide similar functionality to the more familiar trim method. However, with finer control and unique code support. So this method strip basically supports finer and unique code controls. Now we will check these method with example. Let's move on. STS. So here I'll create a class. For example, string demo, and I'll create main method, and inside that I'll create one string variable, for example str, and I put it string here test. Okay, so first I'll check with the repeat method how repeat method work. So I just used system.out.println, then str dot repeat, and in the count, in a method argument we can put the count how many times you want to repeat a particular string. So for example I want to repeat it 2 times. Okay, and then we will check with the output. So you can see 2 times test. Okay, so this is the functionality of repeat method. So if you want to repeat your string number of times, just you can provide a number in the argument of method, as like I provided 2, and you will get the repetition at that time. Okay, so now we will check with other method. So I'll check with for example is blank method. Okay, so right now I provided the I added a string as a white space. So this is a blank string. Right now I'll use the system.out.println str dot is blank, and I'll print it. So it will return true or false based on string. If it is blank, then return true. If it is not blank, then it's return of false. So we will check with the output now. So you can see it's returned true because this string is a blank. But I'll add here something as a string like test. Then I'll execute again this program. Then you can see it will return the false. So this is the method is blank added in string. For this functionality, before we used Apache common method, but now JDK11 added is blank. Now we will check with another method like strip. It's similar to trim method. I think you all are familiar aware about the trim. So just it remove white space from like previous of a string and after of string, so as a suffix and prefix, right? So you can see like having white space this and having white space this, so it will remove. So now at place of trim, java 11 added strip method, so it will remove the white space. Now we will check with console output. So you can see there is only the test, but of course if you add the any space between the string like test I added 2 times. Okay, then there is also white space between the string, but it will not be removed. Okay, So this is the working of trip method. Now we will move for lines method. Okay, so in line I'll take same example, system.out.println, and just suppose for a line can use a slash n, right? And here you can see in Java slash n considered as a new line, then I'll say lines. Okay, here, so you can see the two, you can see the output test on two line. Okay, so here you can know. Okay, I'll check. Yes, so with the line methods, we can see here. So this is the line, and you can see one, two, three lines will be break in that. So easily we can say we can perform the operation on lines method as well. So a lot of methods that are given, like we can also apply the streams filter, like stream API classes that already introduced in the JDK 8. And here I'll simply check with the count, right? So I'll use the count here, so you can see the count. So of course we will get the count as a 3, and if I remove the 1 backslash n, so now we will get count as a 2. So this is the functionality of a lines method, and over the lines you can also perform a lot of operation. So now I'll ask to you, please play with other methods by yourself. And now in the next video I'll come with the HTTP client that new things added in JDK 11. Thank you very much for watching this video.